The topic for today is factoring polynomials. Factoring polynomials. I'm gonna show you couple of problems today to show you how work this topic. Factoring polynomials. Actually, it's a process of finding polynomials whose product is given a polynomial. It's called factoring. This is the concept about our class today. We are going to apply some property in this case. The continuation I'm going to show you. So I'm going to work with the distributive property. Okay. Distributive property. This is this kind of problem is graded. It is a common factor. So let's see one example here. If we have 6x to the second power times 3 to the third power plus 9xy for the fourth power plus 18 y fifth. How factoring these polynomials? So applying the distributive property and then for using the greatest common factor, we are going to have 3y to the third power. Okay, that's a 3y to the third power. So remember, we are factoring times. This is going to times to the 2 to the x to the second power. I think this word plus 3y to the third power, okay, times 3xy, okay, plus times 3y to the third power, times 6y to the second power. See, let's see, using the distributive property, using different coefficients and variables. Simplifying, you're going to have 3 here, 3y to the second power. Simplifying all this, and then look at this. We're going to have here 2 to the x to the second power plus 3xy, see, plus 6y to the second power. You multiply all these, you're going to get the same answer. This is the concept. Okay, this is one example. Let's see another kind of factoring polynomials. In this case, we're going to use this theorem. This theorem is for all real numbers like a, b, c, d, and for all variables, and for all variables, all variables like x and y. We have this case. Two cases. For me, it is most important. Two cases. First one, we have case like x to the second power plus 2xy plus y to the second power equals x plus y to the second power. This is called perfect square trinomial. Perfect trinomial. Okay, we have another case, and another case like x squared minus y to the square equals this is equals x plus y times x minus y. Do you remember this? This is difference of two squares. of 2 squared. Okay. So then let's go and try one examples or examples. Examples. So first, find it's a factor 4m to the second power minus 9. We are going to factor this. How factor this? Let's see. This is going to be here 2m. No. Yeah. See 2m to the second power, right? Minus 3 to the second power. That's 9. You simplify this, you are going to have here 2m, yes, plus 3 times 2m, yeah, 2m minus 3. That's the answer. Let's try another problem. Okay, factor, this is one, factor another one, different numbers, different data. Factor like 2m to the second power plus 2m minus 24. Let's see how to solve this problem. Very simple. Very easy, no? It's like this. It's going to be m minus 4 and then m plus 6. See? It's another way to find the factors. Yeah, that's it. So let me show you another. This is another kind of how factoring some polynomials. Let's go and find another kind of the factoring, another kind of the factor polynomials. Let's see. Let's write this theorem. Factor all variables. Here for all x and y. We have the first case. First case is like this: x to the third power plus y to the third power equals, remember this, x plus y times x squared minus xy plus y squared. See, how called this? This is sum of two cubes. Sum of two cubes. Cube. We have another kind of the find the factor. It says this case is, for example, x to the third power minus y to the third power. This is a little bit different from the first one, x minus y here. See? And then times x squared plus, see the signs, okay? X y plus y squared. How called this? This is different to two cubes. Okay, different with two cubes. Let's try some examples. Find a factor. Let's factor m squared minus 64 n to the third power. See, this is going to be equals here. Equals, let's see the problems there. You're going to have just equals m to the third power like that. minus 4n to the third power, yeah, it's 4 to the third power is 64. This is equals if you simplify those, you are gonna have when you simplify this, you're gonna have m minus 4n times, it's a little bit extended, this is m to the second power, m to the second power plus m, here m times 4n, be like that, plus the last one 4n, this is for the third power. Okay, you simplify this. When you simplify, you are going to have here is going to be same thing here, m minus 4n, yeah, so simplify the rest times here this is going to be m to the second power plus 4mn, just multiply here, plus just it's going to be for here is going to be, because it's time here, let's go to the plus 16n to the second power, yeah, 4 times to the second power, yeah, that's the answer. Okay, that's the answer. So let's go and find another problem here. This is one. Let's show you another one. Factor a plus r to the third power equals, this is easy. This is very simple problem. No problem here. Just y2 go straight plus r times, very easy here, just 4 minus, and you have r here, 2r here, plus r squared. So simple, that's very simple and very easy. Let's do another one. I'm more confused. Let's factor a minus 1 to the third power plus 1. Oh my god, this one. Híjole. Okay, it's going to be this is going to be, oh no, the last one. Let me write not one here because it's easy. Let me write here r. I'm going to write r to the third power. See, yeah, make a little complicated, tricky there. So let's go to solve. First, we are going to have a minus 1 here. See, whereas plus 1, right? Plus 1 here, and then close the crochet, the bracket. Close the bracket, and then open a new bracket. Here is going to be, there is a minus 1 to the second power, c squared, minus a minus 1, c, plus 1. Close brackets. Híjole, let's see how find the answer. Simplify here. So next step, you are gonna have, it's going to be equals a, oh my god, times what? A squared here, a squared minus 2a plus 1 minus 8 here plus 1. Yeah, híjole, it's a big process. So now simplify and get the answer. This is the answer, the most simple, and this is the answer. 8 is going to be 8 times Now you got it here. It's a here inside to the second power minus 3a plus 3. See? Got it? 3y3 is plus is 3 right there. Okay, and 3a. So that's the answer. So this is another kind of find the factors. Factoring polynomials. So three different kind of ways to find the factors of a polynomial. Remember the first one, when you find the greatest common factor, and use also the distributive property, and also you have different rules or theorem, a perfect square trinomial, difference of two squares. Also we have a sum of two cubes here, like this. We have a difference of two cubes, two here, like those three kind of problems where I show